Okay, first step in figuring out what is wrong with our hot water heater is to dig up the documentation. It just makes life so much easier to know what things should be and how they should work. Nothing to this circuit. Super straightforward circuit. Apologize, I don't have my tripod here. Positive in through the switch, negative side through our light. This should, in theory, make that light light up if we have a thermostat open, I believe. I have to study this just for a few more minutes, but for on camera's sake, we know what should be here. We know it should be here. We should be referenced to ground. We should be power through our thermostat and through to our module. The module controls our spark and our electrode. We're not getting that far. We're not getting gas flow or anything here. So the problem is going to be right here, likely. So we're going to go ahead and go outside. This is all in the exterior unit. This module is mounted underneath the sink. And then our spark cable goes out. Super straightforward. It's not even a spark plug. It's just a spark gap, 2 electrodes, gas valve. We're going to want to check this system out. I'm not going to go into that in this video because getting into the gas side is a little bit more involved. There is some instructions that tells you exactly how to get your flame and everything correct. You should read it for your particular hot water heater, but they're all basically the same. We have our high limit switch that's going to kick out if the tank gets too hot or if it just fails, which is probably going to be the case. And our thermostat, same deal. It opens up if the tank gets hot enough, 130 degrees in this case. And yeah, nothing to it. We'll go outside and we'll check this out. But this is all we need to fix anything. You just got to take a couple minutes and read it, and it's a super simple circuit. All right. So our DC side here, we'll turn it on. AC is off. There's no AC to the camper right now. In the on position, we don't have a reset light. So let's go ahead and see what's up. Okay, fridge, hot water heater, furnace. This is the one we're interested in for the moment. And we should be able to just flip this and finagle it out. 1 second. Okay, I've already taken the cover off from previous diagnostics here. AC side, DC side. As we saw in the schematics, we have our DC power coming through here. This is our high limit, and this is our thermostat. This is our high limit for the AC side. This is our thermostat. The AC side is now working. I fixed that last week. The wire, this black wire, was actually cut at the heater element. Somebody had a creative time. This trailer had a repo once upon a time, so I think before they repoed it, somebody decided to try and fix it, so nobody else could have any luck. Anyway, this should be easy enough. All right, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways, 3 ways to diagnose this. Now that we're powered up, our gas system should be ground, and we should be able to probe here, and we can. So our thermostat, both sides, we have 12 volts available, or battery voltage. Coming up, it's bussed up to here to our high limit switch. We're good to there, and we are dead to that side. This is telling us that this high limit switch is open, and I've tried everything to get it to reset, and it won't. I'm going to show you another way. Okay, simple meter. I'm not even going to use my Fluke. This is just a cheapy Power Fist. This is Princess Auto Special. Same deal. We go to the negative side, so we'll go to our gas system, and then we'll go over to this side. 12 volts. Oh, I slipped off here. There we go, 12 volts. 12 volts, no volts. Okay, so there's one more way we can do it. We can do what's called voltage drop testing. When we have current flowing in a circuit, we can measure the voltage drop across things. In this case, we don't have voltage flow or current flowing, but we can still measure it. So from here to here, nothing. There's no potential difference between these two. No potential difference to here. Over to this side, we have our full 12 volt potential difference across there. This is open. The potential to ground here, this is earth ground referenced through our heater. Right here, we have our 12 volts. On this side, Nothing, because there's no potential difference between the two. So this is our little defective tag has grown out of this component. Our high limit switch that we can't reset is defective. Let's replace it. This is the unit I got from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. They keep it right in my local warehouse here in Canada, so yeah, it's a high failure rate item. They do wear out. They do go bad just from corrosion inside. This unit is out in the elements, sort of, but we'll fix it up. And we'll fire it up, maybe. Woohoo! This is looking promising. All right, let's go see if we can make it go. Like that, we are good to go. That is the end of the story for our hot water heater in the trailer. I'm gonna reap the rewards later tonight and have a nice hot shower, and we'll be all set. This is just working wonderful. On to the next task. Just like that, we now have super hot water for doing dishes. No issues. Did some dishes already. Now I get to sit down and enjoy my coffee and close the book on our hot water heater. On to the next project in this camper. We've got a furnace to fix under there. The furnace isn't working. AC, we have a bad start run cap. We'll do a video on that. And yeah, we're getting it together. This thing's coming together. A little bit of floor work to do. And stick around. We'll keep building up this budget camper build. And here's my view outside. I am just super happy with this. Couldn't be happier. What a great spot. All the woodland, the eastern woodland birds here, the songbirds are just, it's just awesome. Cheers, guys.